You got the wrong guy. I'm the dude, man.
Warning, Steve is a trained professional. Do not attempt anything you see on this page.
Some American Girl stuff?
Yes.
Cool, cool. My daughter's into American Girl.
Well, these are American Girls. These are the...
Our generation?
Yeah.
Okay. How much are they?
They're 25 apiece.
25 a piece?
Yeah.
What's in the little pink carrier thing?
My granddaughter loved those, but she's...
Probably box or whatever.
They're called Polly something?
Polly Pockets.
Polly
and-
Pockets?
yeah.
Okay. How much is this?
5.
5. What's the best deal you can give me if I bought the 2 American Girl and then the
45
45?
for all of it.
Okay, I'll do that. I think that's 45. It's early. Alright, I think I'm good.
Okay.
Alright. Thanks, y'all. Have a great day. Hey, how are you? What is this thing? How much is this?
Make me an offer. You're my first customer.
I don't even know.
It's worth quite a bit. It has a whole...
I don't
it's
even
a
know
ring.
where to begin.
It's the extra.
I don't even know what it is. It would just be a. It would just be a.
I'll do 20 for you. Yeah.
20?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll probably get it. Let me look around though.
Sure, yeah. I'll do it for you.
Yeah.
Start with the blessing.
Appreciate it. We can all use one of those now and then, you know.
Oh, yeah. And those are sort of like vintage stuff, you know, now that not everybody has it.
Boots. Oh, I need those no more. Road rippers.
Gentlemen, start your engine.
That's why I have you keep.
Oh, that's cool. Take a chance on whatever that thing is. I always like
I'm sure you're going to make a whole lot more.
interesting and new. So
Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it. All right. Yeah, have a good one. All right, so I wanted to talk about that buy a little bit. I'll shoot a little picture of what I bought. It ended up being a night vision goggle tester. I didn't see any on eBay. There weren't any sold. So I found one that had sold in the past for almost $600. So I decided to list it for $800. I ended up getting an offer for $700, and I decided to take that.
How's it going?
How you doing?
Good.
How much is the stuff in here?
There might be marked. I don't know if they're.
Some of it has. Looks like some old stickers, maybe, or
Yeah,
something.
well, it might have been from a previous garage sale.
Yeah. Some Pokemon cards?
Yeah, a little mystery thing he's got going on.
Okay. I might be game for that.
Huh?
Are these new?
Those, yeah, we used them. They didn't really work with our Wi-Fi around our house.
Yeah.
So, I mean, we used them maybe twice,
Okay.
but they're used.
I start a pile?
Do what?
I start a pile right here or something? Like if I make a pile, you cut me a little slack on the price?
Yeah,
maybe?
yeah, everything's negotiable.
Okay, cool.
Some of those might be reproductions.
Okay.
I don't know if you know how to tell, but if there's a number on it, if there's a number on the back label, like a 01 or something,
The print?
in there, etched in,
Yeah.
those are real. The others are reproductions.
You can tell this doesn't even look like the legit carts.
Yeah.
If it was beat up like that, good chance it's real.
Yeah.
7, 10.
That's vintage. I don't even know how they got in there. They're putting it, what? They're putting it beside or the pound puppets? The pound puppets. That was, let's put it that way.
It says 85.
Yep. That was mine.
Yeah.
Yep. I had that. There was some smaller ones too. I don't know if they're in there as well.
Is it all for 5?
Yeah. 6.
6. Okay.
Yeah, just,
Throw it in the pile.
yeah.
I don't know. It's just nostalgic. So.
Yeah. Really?
From when we were little.
She did from you? Tyler, I need to go sit in your.
This is the 10 for these.
Yeah, we'll do that. That's fine.
Okay. What's
All right.
what's the damage?
I don't know. Let's see.
You want me to add it up?
Yeah. 5 and whatever this stuff is. We'll do like 80.
80 bucks?
Yeah. It's like
Okay.
knocking $25 off or so.
You got a 20?
I have 20, yeah.
Do you have change?
I have change.
Okay.
Yeah, good try.
You gonna take 100 or millions?
Yeah, I wish. That'd be cool.
Yeah, okay. I'll set him right there. Should be good.
Joe.
Go, buddy. Yeah. Appreciate it. All right, you have a good one. There was just a ton of stuff at this garage sale. A lot to look at. I was there for a while, just taking it all in. I probably should have bought more just because of all the good stuff they had. And the guy gave me a pretty good deal, but alas, I did not. And some of the stuff I won't sell on eBay, but I'll try to push it at the flea market or offload it at my old garage sale. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. I'm gonna try to get my videos out a little bit more frequent, but who knows?
Bruh.
I ain't gonna stop though. Catch you in the next one.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got a dude flips. Oh, baby, 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 baby. Look, you're kind of a nice guy. You know that dude flip.